What are you trying to get now? Toothpaste? More? No more. No, no more. You had enough. There. Give it to Mama. Say something for the camera. Say, what does the dog say? What does the cat say? What does a monkey do? What does a clock do? Do it again. What does a clock do? Look at the camera. Yeah. What does Poppy do when he's sleepy? All right. What you getting into now? That's fluoride. No, don't use your teeth.
Mama,
how do you smile? Smile for the camera. Do one more smile. Smile. Look, Joshy, look. Look it. Joshy, smile. Okay, wait, but smile and I'll give it to you. Look.